What's going on, everyone? Let's talk about how we're going to make some money tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be the 25th of June. We're going to go over today's price action. We're going to talk about some mindset stuff. We're going to talk about some strategies that you can use that are very, very basic. Again, I'm just getting a little tired of everyone not making money. Now, am I going to sit here and tout that I make money every single day? Absolutely not. Do I lose trades? Absolutely. Have I blown up funded accounts? Absolutely. Do I lose evaluations? Absolutely. But I do know how to get payouts. I do know that it is a money in versus money out deal. You need to stick to the plan. You need to keep pushing. You need to keep working forward, and you need to keep trusting your edge and trusting your strategy with good risk management. What we're going to look at is a 1 hour time frame on the left. We're going to look at a 5 minute time frame on the right. What I really want to focus on is for tomorrow. Again, if we get any pullback and we go red to green over 22,450, we got to be long. Guys, we got to be long, okay? We have to be long. There is no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Okay, there is no ifs, ands, or buts about it. We need to absolutely be long because we're on full breakout mode, okay? The market, again, it's continued to show you for the better half of 4 going on 5 weeks that every single dip has been bought, okay? Until you get below a prior day's low, you need to stay long biased. As hard as it is, because you want to short the top, you want to take a little bit of a pullback here, you want to do this, I don't really care, guys. You need to stay long. The majority of traders who are getting chopped up, they're losing money, are traders who are 1, going short, 2, going long, with too tight of a stop loss. How can we fix that? Trade smaller size. Well, what is small size, D? 2 or 3 micros. I guarantee you're not going to feel as much pain trading 2 or 3 micros, and you're still going to make money. Newsflash. So 22,450 to the top side, we're going long. One thing that I'm going to be watching going into the overnight session is this London high from today, 22,385. If we stay above that, look for the breakout to the long side. If we close below 22,385, look for rising support at 350 and 22,325. Anything below 325, we can target today's lows for a quick scalp. Be in, be out. Anything below today's lows, 22,250. We are targeting 22,192. There is no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Anything below 192, you're coming to 144. It's very, very simple. Let's go ahead and, well, it's not simple. Okay. The back testing is simple. Setting the levels is simple. Trading in real time is hard, but you have to work at it. So let's kind of look at it. Again, I continue to tell people, if you're new, stay the fuck out of this chop. Okay. Excuse the language, but there needs to be some emphasis of the chop. And what is the chop? The open. What is the open? The first hour of the day. You need to stay out of that first hour candle. If you are inexperienced, if you have FOMO, if you revenge trade, you need to stay out of this area. There is no ifs, ands, or buts about it, because look at what happens an hour after the open. You get a beautiful 20 SMA trade that reclaims VWAP. It reclaims 20 SMA. You could get long. Does it pull back? Yes. Does it take out the reason why candle? No. For those of you who are new and who haven't followed me, what is the reason why candle? This is the reason why candle. What does it mean, D? The reason why we are taking the trade is because we reclaimed VWAP and we closed over the 20 SMA. Stop loss goes below the reason why. You get long once we confirm the reason why. You're getting long right here. You do see a pullback. How much is this pullback? It's about 45 points. So for every 1 micro contract that you're trading, you're going down $90 in this position to see it through. What does that mean? It means that you need to risk $90 on 1 micro to see it through. And if you would have seen it through, you would have made a lot of cash. Now, again, we're looking at the triple Qs. It doesn't really matter. It's all the same. We're looking at the NASDAQ over here. For those of you guys who like to get your panties in a bunch, again, I was trading some options today. I was trading triple Qs. Let's go into the NASDAQ chart so I can give all of you babies a little bit of a price. Again, you're going to notice the chart is the same. It's not going to change, right? It's not going to change. You're going to see my levels here from trading the NQ future side of things on my prop firms as well. So again, let's draw these drawings. Stay out of the chop. Where's your 20 SMA play? Your 20 SMA happens right here as soon as we take out that initial balance at 30-minute opening range. That's what we're looking to do and get long. Now, you would have sat in a little bit of drawdown, but I want to clarify something. Guys, even when this is pulling back, it's still trading over the 20 SMA. Why the hell are we scared? We're still trading over VWAP. We're still rising here. You would have made from 22,325 all the way to 385. I mean, guys, you would have made over 100 points. You would have made over 150 points. Where's the next setup? Next setup was a long, and it was right here. Again, first time we close below the 20 SMA, we do not confirm it, so there was no confirmation going short. We need to be long here. What's your short? Or what's your stop loss? Underneath the reason why. It's not hard. It's not hard. How many points were you risking on this trade? 18.25. So 18 points and a tick is what you were risking. You could have targeted a 1-to-1. You could have targeted a half ATR. You could have targeted 2. You would have made money. Guys, if you want to trade with me, I have 2 spaces available to join Evolution Traders, get access to my courses with all of my scalping strategies, to get access to the live trading and access to the online community where I have a lot of educational lessons that are not on YouTube, and intraday chat. That is 50% off right now. So if you've been curious about joining Evolution Traders, we are getting people funded. We are getting people paid out. We had shifting gears with payouts hit the bank account today. We had Viv pass more evaluations today. We are looking very, very good. Guys, if you don't believe it, come in, join for 30 days, join for 60 days, join for a year. And let's figure out what your problem is, because we all have the same problems. Also, tonight is the last day that Apex is going to be 80% off. You guys can get that with discount code DAnthony. You can also use daytraders.com. They are 90% off right now, as well as having a straight to funded account. I will see all of you guys on the next video.